crazy, crazy, crazy. Well, folks, I just picked up my bike from the dealership, and the bike just came off a warranty about, I don't know, 5 days ago, and just before it came off a warranty, I decided to tell them about my joystick, which after 2 years and 14,500 miles, my joystick down here is the only thing that was a little bit of a problem. Here's the problem with the joystick. Move it to the left. Sometimes it sticks. Like right now it's stuck. You can see it's stuck and the screen is changing by itself. Moving it to the right, not a problem. Moving it to the left, it can stick. And if it sticks, the screen changes by itself. Come on. So I was able to demonstrate that to them, and they took a video and sent it out to Triumph, and Triumph agreed and shipped the part, and they swapped it in today in 45 minutes, no charge to me on the warranty. So this bike has got no warranty now. I made one warranty claim. I got this switch block. Let's see if it'll stick. No, it didn't stick. I got this switch block changed thanks to Triumph, and now I'm on my own. So I took the opportunity to order some spokes. I ordered 4 sets of spokes and nipples, so that if I get any issues with spokes, I can change them. I don't know, I hope to God, knock on wood, that I get no issues with spokes. But if I do, at least I've got 4 spares anyway. As you know, or you might know, I do have one spoke that is loose and that refuses to be tightened with the torque that is specified in the service manual, 3 Newton meters. So for me to tighten that, I'd either have to exceed 3 Newton meters, and I don't know if it would break at that point, so I'm waiting until I get my spokes before I try and tighten that spoke beyond 3 Newton meters. They should take about 3 weeks because they are kind of back ordered. So anyway, that's that. Other than that, the bike is fine, and now that I'm finished my warranty and I've got heading for 15,000 miles on the bike and 2 years done. Do I want to go this way? And 2 years done, I'm gonna do a review one of these days, and this clip will probably be part of that review. Man, today is really busy. I had my wife drop me off and leave the bike there just in case it took longer than the promised time, and it didn't. But she dropped me off, so we were on this 30-odd mile drive all the way from my house twice. Well, not exactly twice, because when I came back to pick up the bike, I went to lunch. But yeah, everybody's driving crazy today. And the thing is, the temperature, oh my God. Today's got to be the hottest day of the year. It's really, really hot. 97 degrees. And everybody's driving fast and everybody's driving crazy. Man. Anyway, I'm going to be taking the freeway and the tollway back home just so that I don't stop. Because once I keep going, at least I'll be able to get some air conditioning. So I got to keep moving. Today I'm trying the neutral density 16 ND16 filter. We'll see how the footage looks. Looks like we're gonna get some rain soon. Oh well, I'm almost home. How those clouds look with the ND16 filter on. It's not a polarizing filter, but it should lend some clarity to the outlines of the clouds. I guess I'll see you in a few minutes when I get home. Anyway, this is it for this video. Till the next one, take care, keep the shiny side up, stay safe.